Okay, in this video we are going to just make a small modification to start with to the previous tutorial. What I'm going to do is change my look bit to say what you see in the room. So for if item, if length of current room dot items is greater than 0, print you also see, and there's better ways to do this, but I'm just going to keep this fairly simple. For item in current room dot items, print item. Okay, so that's going to print out a list of the items in the current room dot items. But what if there's items in the room you don't want the user to see? So for that, we could say, let's just make a few modifications here. There is a pile of leaves. Okay, so there is a pile of leaves here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to add room dot hidden items. And then it's going to equal a bag as well. Down here, item definition, I'm going to have coin equals item, coin, money, dollar. Those are all its aliases. Coin.description equals the coin shines as you turn it over in your hand. And I'm not going to give it a definite name in this case. And then I'm going to add start room dot hidden items dot add coin. Now if I run the game, this is in my desktop, get coin. You don't see any coin. Okay, it's hidden. Now what we're going to make it do is search the pile of leaves. Okay, I could make it examine room or something like that. So there's a few ways I could do this. What I'm going to make it is quite specific. At when look in leaves. Okay, you can make specific things like this. There's only a pile of leaves in this room. So I'm going to make it a function that does that. You could make a universal function, look in item and then, or look in thing and then do that. But in this case, I'm going to just make it very specific. Def search leaves. If room equals start room, oops, double equals. So if current room equals the start room, then what we're going to do, because that's where the leaves are, then what we're going to do is print you see a coin in the leaves. And then what we're going to do is chain or remove the coin from the bag and put it into the other bag. So we're going to remove the coin from the hidden items.bag and put it into the other bag. So let's go coin. We won't say coin, we'll just say C equals current room dot hidden items dot take coin, and we may need to put it as like that, and then current room dot items dot add C. Okay, now let's test what happens here. So we'll restart this. If I type look, it says this, you look around, this is the start room, there is a pile of leaves. Look in leaves, you see a coin in the leaves. Now if I look in the room, this is the start room, there is a pile of leaves. You also see coin, get coin. oops, I didn't define a def name for the coin, and I should have because I referred to it later in code. You can define any item, anything for the name there. This is just like a small description. So look in leaves, get coin, you take the coin, look, it's not there anymore. So that's one way that we could have items hidden and certain things. There might be other things that the user does, like search leaves, search through leaves. Okay, there could be a whole lot of things that they type in that are exact phrases, and you can think of as many of them as possible. Another thing you may want to do is to actually carry around an item. So this is a little bit different. Maybe there's a pouch that has some gems in it. So for this one, I am going to define a bag, pouch equals bag, but I'm going to call it also carry pouch or pouch item. Pouch item equals item, and in a sec I'm going to put something in that bag when it gets defined. Pouch item equals item. Pouch. Pouch dot definite name equals the pouch, and pouch dot description equals a pouch with some gems in it. Okay, now in this one I am going to add some items at the start. So actually I won't do that, I'll just add the items manually. So I'm just going to add a gem. I'll add 2 gems. Gem equals item blue gem. Gem 2 equals item green gem. And of course I need gem dot def name equals blue gem, and gem dot description equals blue gem. My misspelling can stay there, and same thing here. Gem 2 green. Okay, now I want to put those in the bag. So I've got item assignment here. Pouch.add gem. Pouch.add gem 2. Now I want the player to be able to carry around a pouch, but due to the limitations of a set, I cannot put a set inside a set. So I can't put, and a bag is a type of set, it's a subclass of a set. I cannot put a pouch inside my inventory because then I've got a bag within a bag. It doesn't allow me to do that in Python. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have the player pick up a pouch item, and if they have the item, they will be able to look in this bag. So I will define a function here. First, let's put the pouch in a room somewhere. I'll just put it in, is it the middle room? I'm not sure what I called it. Above room, put it in there. Above room dot items dot add pouch item. Okay, so this pouch item, if the player has it in their inventory, it's going to show them what they have. So I'll put that as a bind down here. When look in pouch. Now this could easily be something like look in cupboard, look in something else, look in something. Maybe I don't want them to be able to carry a cupboard around, but I would check to see whether they're in the room with the cupboard, and then I could do this stuff that I'm about to do. So look in pouch at when pouch. There might be a few other things that they type. Def pouch, pouch contents for item in pouch. Print. You open the pouch and see. Well, now here I need to check if inventory.find pouch item. So if that is in the inventory, then I went too far. Print, you open the pouch and see for item in pouch, print item, else print you don't have a pouch. Okay. So this is slightly different to look at item. This is look in pouch. Even if I had look at pouch, I could do this as well. When look at pouch, and that way it meets the similar conventions that I've got below. So I'll do this, run it again. Look in pouch. You don't have a pouch. Go up. Get pouch. Now I'm pretty sure I did put the def name down for the pouch. Pouch dot definite name. Oh, pouch item. You may have picked that up before. Go up. Get pouch. We take the pouch. Look at pouch. Item has no attribute lower. Well, I'm not sure why it's doing that. This is the start room. There is a pile of leaves. Go up. Get pouch. Look at pouch. Or look in pouch. Try that. Okay, that's kind of... alright. I know what is going on. I need to actually send it the name as a string, not... So we'll try that one more time. Go up, get pouch, look in pouch, you take the pouch, look at pouch, you don't have a pouch, inventory, you are carrying pouch. Okay, so that should just be pouch. Because I'm actually looking for its alias, not its program name. So I'm still learning this stuff as well. Go up, get pouch, look in pouch. You open the pouch and see blue gem, inventory, I'm carrying a pouch. Go down, go north, look in pouch. You open the pouch and see that. Go south, look in leaves, get coin, inventory, I have a pouch and a coin, look in pouch, open the pouch and see that. Okay, so I can carry a bag with me. I can't actually, what I'm essentially doing is just, if I have the pouch item in my inventory, then the player has access to the pouch bag. Keep in mind that you have access to all rooms at all times. All Adventure Library is doing is giving you the tools to be able to create this adventure game, create the syntax that the player types in, and allow them to type in things that are pretty common, as well as more uncommon and specific things.